What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of AUDCHF. Now, what you saw on the screen is AUDCHF daily chart. Now, in this daily chart, what we see a nice trading signal, a trading opportunity. Now, before I explain what is this trading opportunity, let me give you a complete multi-time frame analysis, and then we'll come back to this time frame and the lower time frame to see how we can trade it. Now, before I do the full analysis, make sure you smash this like button and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Now, AUD looks like getting stronger and stronger. Now, what you saw that this is the monthly candle just before this week before this monthly candle closed. Now, this monthly candle is a perfectly healthy bullish candle. Why? Because let me explain. Let's draw this line here. What you saw that this is a very monthly strong level of support. There is a support here, there is a resistance here, there is a support here, there is a resistance support here, and this candle just formed in this level of support. This is the first thing. When you see such kind a level acted as a both supply and demand zone, that become a very strong foundation. Now look at the bottom of this monthly candle, there is no wick at all, and look at the top of this monthly candle, there is a long wick. So what does it mean? It means that as soon as this candle opens, the big boys started to place orders, so there is the sellers couldn't push the price low, went above to this level, and then what happened? There is a long wick. So what this long wick mean that the price retraced enough. So this is the sign of a healthy candle. You might say, what is an unhealthy candle? Look at this one here. This is an unhealthy candle. You see this one, there is no wick at the top, there is not significant retracement. As a result, what happened? The next one dropped down to complete this retracement. But with this one, we saw that the price came down, closed again on a very important level of resistance and support. Look at this one here. You see this red candle now providing a support for the new candle. Now, what we can expect then, the price to go up again to certain level. Let me draw this level of support. So we see that AUDCHF now on the monthly support, sit on it, and I think that AUDCHF will go along this monthly trend line before any move to the downside. Even it could start to move further. So monthly we have a strong base of bullish momentum. Now let's go to the weekly. Now weekly, what we saw that AUDCHF after this gap opening here every week. Now there is a clue again to consider for weekly bullish momentum. First of all, look at this one here, two back-to-back green candle with a gap opening. So that means that if you consider the zone, this is the zone of buyer. And after that, what happened? Look at this bullish engulfer on the weekly time frame. It crossed the previous candle's low and then closed above, well above. It's another healthy bullish engulfer with a element of false breakout to the downside. So, and then this current week, the past week, what happened? This is also a bullish candle. People might think that, well, we see it's a red candle, but still it has created a higher high and higher low, meaning that the trend is still valid and continuing. Market structure has not been broken. So monthly, weekly has a strong solid base for bullish momentum. At the same time, what you saw, this weekly resistance tested as a support, and primarily we saw a rejection candle. Now let's see on the daily time frame now how we can trade. Now daily, what you saw that AUDCHF, now the trend is clearly visible. AUDCHF on an uptrend, and in this uptrending move we saw a retracement. Take your Fibonacci from the low to the high, and we saw that AUDCHF just retraced 50 to 61.8 Fibonacci level, which is quite satisfactory. There is a 20 period moving average just below this level. It's an area of value, and also this daily candle just above this level of support. So the last thing that we can see is the daily bullish engulfer. This is a textbook bullish engulfer. Cross the low of the previous candle, cross the high of the previous candle, closed above all this low. That means that AUDCHF high probability that this price will move from here. Now, at the same time, keep in mind that if you take a big risk on this trade, then you might blow out your account. And this is not an investment advice. This is for an educational purpose. We'll advise our VIP members to trade according to the rules of our strategy, this instrument. Thank you for watching. If you find value in it, then smash the like button and also don't forget to leave a comment below. See you soon in my next analysis.